To understand Credit.com balance transfer, it is essential to first comprehend what a balance transfer is. A balance transfer refers to the process of transferring outstanding debt from one credit card to another, typically to take advantage of a lower interest rate or other benefits. Step 1 is to identify your current credit card debt and interest rate. Make a list of all your credit cards, including the balances and interest rates. This will help you determine which cards to prioritize for the balance transfer. Step 2 is to research and find a credit card that offers a 0% or low interest rate. Balance transfer. Many credit cards offer promotional interest rates for a specific period, usually between 6 and 18 months. Compare different credit cards and their offers to find the one that best suits your needs. Step 3 is to understand the terms and conditions of the balance transfer. Look for any fees associated with the transfer, such as a balance transfer fee, which is typically a percentage of the amount transferred. Also, check the length of the promotional period and the interest rate that will apply after the promotion ends. Step 4 is to apply for the new credit card and initiate the balance transfer. You can usually do this online or by phone, and the process typically takes a few days to a week. Make sure to transfer the balance within the specified timeframe to take advantage of the promotional interest rate. Best practices for balance transfers include paying more than the minimum payment each month to pay off the debt quickly, avoiding new purchases on the credit card, and making timely payments to avoid late fees and interest charges. It is also essential to have a plan to pay off the debt before the promotional period ends to avoid high interest rates. In conclusion, understanding Credit.com balance transfer requires research, planning, and discipline. By following these steps and best practices, you can take advantage of a balance transfer to save money on interest and pay off your debt more efficiently. Always read the terms and conditions carefully and make informed decisions to achieve your financial goals.